the structure of atom. In the center there is a nucleus, and in the nucleus there are protons and neutrons, and electrons are revolving round the nucleus. Electrons are revolving in a shell. The shell are denoted by K, L, N, M, and we have seen there are fixed number of electrons. In the K shell there are 2 electrons, in the L shell there are 8 electrons, in the M shell there are 18 electrons, and in N shell we have 32 electrons. So this distribution of electron is known as electronic configuration of element. Now open your books and page number 33, there is a chart. You have to complete the chart. Atom hydrogen, symbol is H. Electron number in the atom is 1. Then distribution of electron. Shell symbol, maximum capacity. K shell has 2, L has 8, M has 18, N has 32. Hydrogen has electron number is 1. Therefore, K shell has 1 electron, and electronic configuration in the numerical form is 1. Then second, helium, its symbol is He. The electron number is 2. K shell has 2 electrons. So, in the first shell there are 2 electrons. Then third element, lithium, symbol is Li. Electron number is 3. K shell has 2 electrons. L shell has 1 electron. Electronic configuration is 2 and 1. Then carbon. Carbon has 6 electrons. K shell has 2 electrons. Write it. K shell has 2 electrons. L shell has 4 electrons. Then you have to write 2. Then 4. In between them you have to write comma there. 2, 4. Then nitrogen, symbol is N. Electron number 7. In the first shell 2 electrons. In the second shell 5 electrons. You have to write there 2, 5. Then oxygen, symbol O. Then electron number is 8. In the first shell 2. In the second shell 6. You have to write there 2, 6. Then fluorine, F, symbol is F. Electron number 9. In the first shell 2. In the second shell 7. Then you have to write last 2, 7. Then neon, Ne, symbol is Ne. Electron number is 10. Distribution is 2, 8. You have to write there 2, 8. Then sodium, Na, 11. Electron number is 11. In the first shell 2. In the second shell 8. In the third shell 1. You have to write the electronic configuration as 2, 8, 1. Then chlorine, electron number is 17. In the first shell 2. In the second shell 8. In the third shell 7. Electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. Then argon, Ar, its symbol is Ar. Electrons are 18. In the first shell 2. In the second shell 8. In the third shell 8. You have to write the electronic configuration as 2, 8, 8. Then bromine, electron number is 35. The electron number are 35. Then K shell has 2 electron, L shell has 8 electron, M shell has 18 electron, and N shell has 7 electron. You have to write electronic configuration as 2, 8, 18, 7. I hope you understood this. Now we will see what is valency. In the last chapter, valency means the number of chemical bonds formed by an atom. We also saw that generally the valency of an element remains constant in its compound. Now see the diagram. First you have to see 5.8 diagram. Then you have to answer the questions on page number 34. Use your brain power. You have to write the answer. What are the symbols used for the shell which accommodate electrons in various atoms? The first shell has name K. You have to write there K, L, M, N. The symbol used for shells are, first question's answer K, L, M, N. Then second question, what is the symbol and ordinal number of the innermost shell? The ordinal number of the shell is 1 and the symbol is K. You have to write the answer of the second question 1 and K. Then third question, write symbol of electron distribution in the shell of fluorine atom. In the last chart, we have seen the electronic configuration. On page number 33, fluorine 9 number 2727. Then which is the outermost shell of the fluorine atom? K and L. Distribution is 2 and 7. The answer of the fourth question, K, L, 2, 7. Then fifth question, which is the outermost shell of the sodium atom? The outermost shell of the sodium atom, its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1. K, L, M. The last shell has name M. You have to write the answer M. Then sixth, which is the outermost shell of the hydrogen atom? First shell is the last outermost shell of the hydrogen atom. So you have to write the answer K. Sixth answer K. Again I will repeat the answers. First question's answer K, L, M, N. Second question's answer 1K. Third, fourth common answer K, L, 2, 7. Fifth आहे M आणि sixth आहे K. So here we will see what is valency and valence electron. Come here on the chart. Look at the chart. Look at the chart. Valency means the number of chemical bonds formed by an atom. The concept regarding valency of an element, chemical bonds in the compound get clarified from the electronic configuration. Atom forms chemical bond. What atoms form? Chemical bonds by using electron of its outermost shell. Valency of an atom is determined by the configuration of its outermost shell, and therefore the outermost shell is called as valence shell. Means the outermost shell of the atom is known as valence shell, and the electron number in it is known as valency of that atom. The electrons in the outermost shell are called valence electron. Helium and neon, both the atoms of both these gaseous elements, do not combine with any other atom. We have seen the electronic configuration of helium and neon. the duet, 2 electrons are there in the helium, and in the neon the last shell has 8 electrons. The capacity of both the electrons is full fill, and therefore they never react with any other element. So atoms of both these gaseous elements do not combine with any other atom. These elements are chemically inert, means their valency is 0. Helium has 2 electrons in outermost orbit, and neon has electron number is 10. In the first shell 2, in the second shell 8. So the outermost orbit is completely filled. Therefore its valency is 0. Then argon 2, 8, 8. Outermost shell has 8 electrons. So it is also complete shell. Therefore its valency is 0. The electronic configuration of elements other than inert gases show that they don't have electron octet, or electron octet are incomplete. Hydrogen मध्ये electron duplet is incomplete. We have seen that in hydrogen only one electron is there, and there must, to complete that shell, it wants one electron more. So it reacts with another element, and therefore its valency is 1. Now come to your textbook. Page number 34. Use the following molecular formulae to determine the valencies of H means hydrogen, Cl means chlorine, O means oxygen, S means sulfur, N means nitrogen, C means carbon, Br means bromine, and R and sodium. Molecular formulae written there: HCl. Hydrogen combines with Cl to form HCl. Hydrogen has 1 electron in the outermost shell, and chlorine has 7 electrons. Therefore, both of them have the same valency 1, 1. So you have to write the answer 1, 1. The valency of hydrogen is 1, and that of chlorine is also 1. Then H2O. H2O means hydrogen has 2 electrons. H2 is there. Therefore hydrogen has 2 electrons and oxygen has 6 electrons. Means their valency 2. Their valency, both of them has valency 2. Then H2S, hydrogen has 2 electrons, and sulfur means both of them has valency 2. Then NH3, nitrogen has valency 1 and hydrogen has valency 3. 1, 3. CH4, 1 is to 4. HBr, 1 is to 1. HI has valency 1 is to 1. Now we will see the concept of valency in this table. You have to come to page number 35. See here. On page number 35, the chart is 5.9. Relationship between valency and electronic configuration. See here. Symbol of element is H. Molecular formula of compound is HCl. Valency of H is 1. And electronic configuration of element is 1. Number of valence electron 1. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Both of them has valency 1. Then Cl, HCl. Hydrogen ची valency 1. Electronic configuration 287. Therefore, in order to complete the octet, one number is less. Therefore, 8 minus 7, that is equal to 1. Now see here, neon. Neon 0 valency. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8. You have to write there 2, 8. 2, 8. The 8 number of electrons in the outermost orbit. therefore its valency is 0.